The Swift that keeps on giving. The English pop band The Beatles once sang, "You can't buy me love." But Taylor Swift is leaving nothing to chance by splashing out on £50,000 worth of the band's memorabilia, all in the name of a possibly developing love story. The 23-year-old singer has bought her new boyfriend, One Direction singer Harry Styles, the best Christmas present ever, as he's apparently a huge fan of the band. According to the Daily Star, Harry spent £900 on Taylor for her birthday, and now she wants to repay the favor, and then some. They report that she's been phoning Beatles store in Liverpool hoping to find pieces of rare autographed memorabilia she knows Harry will love. The staff member at one store let slip she wanted to spend somewhere between £40,000 and £50,000. A fairly priced gift for any 18-year-old pop star, right? You gotta admit, that's a pretty superb gift in anyone's eyes. And yeah, this relationship could flourish. Because remember, all you need is love.